My father, well, sometimes he would say, your mother's older than me.
Yeah.
You told him that one?
No, I said about the Hanglish.
Oh, because she was talking and I was in the carriage. Now, did they have a carriage in the shtetl? I don't know. But he said she would come along and say, Bachanappy.
Yeah.
He said, so she was talking, so she's probably older. He had a birth certificate because
He was bar mitzvah.
you know, the
knew.
boys were important, the girls were not. But he said he loved her from the time they were little. And my father, you see my two hands together? That was my father's one hand. He had very powerful hands. And he also was a carpenter, so he was well, he wasn't a carpenter then, he was a butcher when he first came.
I know.
But he was a carpenter, you know, so, but I always looked at his hands, they were enormous. And he said if he heard there was somebody from another town coming to try to woo my mother, he would say, I don't know if he said he took the horse or the horse and wagon, and he would wait. And he would bombard them with rocks so they would turn around and go away because he was determined she was going to be for him.
Yeah. And he was very good to her mother and father, and so she didn't know any better, and that's why she married him, because he was very good to her mother, father.
He was tough.
Yeah.